The private lives of Tudors.
What really went on behind the closed doors of their palaces?
Now open to the public.
Henry was depressed, paranoid.
Elizabeth used honey to clean her teeth.
At least 100 pounds of meat needed on every fireplace.
He was so fat that he had to be winched onto his horse.
All her clothes were recycled. She was style on a budget.
Tracy Borman throws open palace doors to reveal the colourful truths of the
We'll
Tudors.
show you how they lived, loved and died, even how they used the royal toilets.
The private lives of the Tudors, new and exclusive to yesterday.